Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the T-Speed Official Fix Trading Community, and I'm back with another inspirational video. This is an update for you guys. The market is currently up 2.69% right now, so the market has been bullish so far for the day. Let's jump over to the charts really quick just to show and share with you guys what is going on. Let's see if I just kind of blow this up right here. Again, the market has been bullish all morning during the after hours, pre-market, extended hours. All right. If I can draw your attention to the purple horizontal line, this is the all-time high currently for the S&P 500. We can see, of course, where the market broke past that, and of course now it's coming back down to retest that the high point. All right. However, I believe that we could possibly get a retracement back down to this gap right here. We have a gap in between the price of 35.13.82 and 35.21.82. All right, so I really believe that there were some orders that were left out here, and that the market will come back to fill these orders. All right, if you follow the channel, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know about the manipulations that occur in the market. So again, the market broke past the high, the all-time high finally. All right, it's coming back to retest that all-time high. The blue horizontal line, this is the the daily chart price point that I have marked out. Okay, so that was actually broken here. Okay, and it went up and it came back and it retested that area, and it pushed up more again and pushed us past the all-time high. Now again, I think that the market is going to come back and fill this order. If it does not, it's simply because there's not enough orders. It's not worth it for them to come all the way. Excuse me, to come all the way back there. All right. So, but of course, hey, we love it. All right. So currently. All right, and my Robinhood portfolio account. All right, I'm on the road to 1,000. Okay, so I'm almost there. Okay, a little less than 200 shy of reaching that mark. But you can see that the instruments that I am investing in is actually outperforming the market, guys. So the instruments that I have invested in are actually outperforming the market. All right. Again, the market is currently at a 2.68% profit. All right. And my portfolio is currently up 3.73%. All right. So guys, listen, like I always tell you guys, as long as you know how to trade, as long as you know how to invest, you're going to always be able to make money. All right. Listen, if the market ever decides to take a plunge, then you could easily switch over. All right. If you don't know how to do options trading with stocks, all right, you can easily jump over with your Forex knowledge, okay, and trade the market going down. Okay, you can simply jump over here, trade the market going down, and make you some money. All right, we do that all the time, right? We take $100 accounts and we trade with 1 cent lot size. And you guys see, we just go back through the videos. All right, if you're curious, just go back through the videos and you see that we easily make money going up or down using a Forex ECN broker. All right, so if you ever worried about that, then that's an option for you. But as always, just remember that this is the long game. Okay, guys, this is the long game. So not every single day you're going to have gains. You're not going to have gains every single day. The market, it has to pull back I don't really believe in crashes. All right. The market is just simply pulling back. And you can just go back and look at the other videos. I showed you guys that. All right. We were calling it a crash. We were calling it a crash. Hold on. Let's switch over. Let's switch over to the weekly. We were saying that the market crashed. No, the market was just pulling back here. All right, this is recent. This is the recent pullback, quote unquote crash. All right, the market was just pulling back to an area to where some orders had to be filled. Okay, that's all the market was doing. All right, so the market is not necessarily crashing. Okay, um, and so now it's pushing us. So we don't believe in crashes. It's just the manipulation that takes place. And because it's the long game, you're not looking at, oh, I'm losing money. You're looking at the fact that, oh, I can invest further in the stock market at a discounted price. That's all it means. Whenever the stock market goes down, that's what you need to have in your mind. That needs to be your psyche. Okay. um, the market is giving me a discount. The market is giving me an opportunity to further invest, all right, in those solid, trustworthy instruments at a discounted price. That's all it is. All right. And so we look forward to those discounts. All right. So we continue to invest, whether you're putting money in on a daily, on the daily, on the weekly, on a monthly. All right. However you're investing. All right. Continue to do that no matter what the market is doing. Continue to put that money in. All right. And so 10%, 10%, all right, 10% of everything that you have coming in, you need to invest it. All right. If you want to be more aggressive, start doing anywhere between 30 to 70%. All right. That's highly aggressive. All right. So you're talking about some big life changes. All right. Some life changing adjustments that need to be made in order for that to take place. But listen, there are people out here killing the FIRE journey. All right. There are people out here living off of 30% of their income and investing 70%. All right. So it's not the fact that it can't be done, but sometimes we have to make adjustments in order for us to be able to do so. All right. And so, again, guys, if you're ever interested to know exactly what instruments that I am investing in, how is it that I'm outperforming the market? Yes, this is a small account. However, percentage wise, we are outperforming the market. And if you're ever interested in knowing what that is, just head over to the website, the teachmetofishfx.com, sign up for the F.I.R.E Journey mentorship program, and you will get access to the specific instruments that I am investing in. And as always, I want to give you a tip. I want this to be inspirational. I want this to be informative. I want this to be empowering. So diversify your investments. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys. Always remember, don't trade, don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. I am not a licensed financial advisor. All right. These are just my opinions of what I think is going on. So as always, I appreciate you guys. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment on the video. And as always, I appreciate you guys. Oh, we're up 4%. Wow. Okay. All right, guys, as always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Y'all stay blessed. Bye-bye.